Okay, welcome ulit po tayo sa ating second game for today between, of course, ito po ang The Projects or QR Projects, clad in white and red combination against Bipoets po sa Airport United or AU. Yan po ang blue and white combination. Ano po ito? Ito po ang liga ng mga lumilipad, Aviation Friendly League, Dabas sa Flying League. Teka lang po. Okay, this is your Aviation Friendly Dabas sa Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors: Team LBC Haring Padala and Thread the Needles. Sample natin po ang SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ Basketball League. And of course, second game for today po tayo between Airport United or AU versus QR Projects. And afterwards po is of course Mechanicos and Boleros. Before that, AU versus QR Projects muna po tayo, idol. AU versus QR Projects muna po tayo ngayon. Okay, calling now the first 5 sa ating lineup between AU and QR Projects. Okay, Rob Castor is watching. Siya nagwamapayat pareho po ang both teams. Okay, congratulations po na kanina po pala sa Q The Hub for snatching the first win over QR Towers. So kay Mr. Dimakulangan, binuhat niya ang kanyang team mag-isa along with Peridian Company. And kudos po si Barantes nandyan din. And nandyan po si Kalilong, nandyan yung dalawa, si Babagay tsaka si bakasyon lumilipad. Bakasyon naman. Sige, yan. Si Babagay pala lumilipad pala daw. Okay, meron pa iba mga player po talaga is naka-duty po as a flight attendant po sa Qatar Airways. Shoutout kay Barantes, sabi ni Ralph Castor. Ralph Barantes, shoutout to kay Ralph Castor or Caster. Sige. And also, take note po, kung regalo po kay Scott po, siya po yung nakabakasyon din po. Nasa US po siya ngayon, enjoying its vacation. And second game na for today between QR Projects, clad in white and red combination. BIP against clad in blue and white naman po. Yan po ang Team Airport United. Okay. And take note po, iba po is you notice po si Rodriguez, dating yung Extreme Bowlers po yan, is nalipat na rin po sa The Projects. Okay. Okay. Dating po siya, dating Extreme Bowlers po yan. Rodriguez, sino kasama mo dyan? Sa mga Extreme Bowlers? Yung maliit daw. Okay, good. Cool. Tatlo kayong nalipat. Sige. Barantes, may bumabate siya rito. Si Castor. Si Ralph. Si Ralph. Taka. Okay, Taka. Japanese sila. Okay. Okay, Jay Ramos is watching. We're waiting now for the opening whistle sa ating laro pong ito. And good luck po for QR Projects, clad in white and red combination versus yan po ang AU or Airport United, clad in blue and white combination, or playing dark po sila ngayon. Okay, let's play ball. Game ball. Play ball po tayo. Play ball. QR Projects versus Airport United on the way now. Ongoing. Calling na the first 5 sa ating liga sa second game po. Okay, QR Projects now. Wala rin po si Obaob din. Sa Airport United, sa Projects naman, kompleto po sila. Medyo malalim po ang bench po nila. Sige. Okay, play ball po. Game start now for Team Airport United versus QR Towers. Good evening po sir. Okay po, good evening po tayo. Okay, first quarter matchup now. Sino po sila from Project? Si number 99, si number 0, number 13, number 15, at si number 16. Sa kabila na po, si Eric, si 17, si 19, si 13, at si number 8, si Kandol. Okay, first quarter matchup now. QR Projects versus Airport United. Si Bill against Smith. Rejump. Okay. Violation po. Okay, Airport United has now the first possession out of a violation coming from Team QR Projects. Kandol for the inbound to Mr. Eric Grama or si SG. Eric Grama, Barantes, pops up, Smith. Power move, no good. Number 99, binababa ang bola. 99, nakakuha ng rebound. Nagmamadali si number 99, binato, ang lakas ng bato. Hyper. Projects talaga. QR Projects. Okay, shout out kay Mr. Taka, the Mighty Mouse. Yan. Mr. Taka, the Mighty Mouse also, pinapatawag din po siya ngayon. Karilong Barantes pops up. High looper shot. Nope. One more time. Barantes sa kalusot. It's Smith. 2 points. Smith 2 points. Number 13, Smith. And to number 13. Nope, it's number 20, number 15, Rolion. 2 points. Rolion 2 points. Nice one kay Rolion. Kandol. Smith again. Smith driving strong. Palpal. Again, binababa muli po. QR Projects on the run. Henrosa, nope, it's 99, foul! Called for the foul. Kalilong called for the foul. Number 99, shooting for 2. Kalilong called for the foul. Number 99, shooting for 2. Ng QR Projects. The White Boys. Pops up. It's in. Okay, lead na po ang QR Projects ng isa. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Sancho Samders watching. Si Babagi also is watching also. Second throw ni number 99. Pops up. Nope. Rebound battle won by number 17. Kalilong, binababa ang bola. To Barantes. Shake and pick. Nope, it's SG for 3. Kapos. Smith, foul called. Nice training job ni Mr. Smith. Number 13, Smith shooting for 2. First shot, Smith. Pops up. Malakas. Second throw, Smith, jumpers ready. Smith, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's out. Rebound. Kandol. Nope. It's same ball. Shoutout kay Jurex Euro player po. Si Taka Pintal. Ayan. Shoutout din po sa Robas Liga. Si player po kay Mr. Austin Barantes. Sabi ni Babagay. Smith. Power move. Nope. Now well guarded. Ayan na, ondaran muli po tayo ang Projects. Henrosa against Kandol. Rolion, double teamed. Rolion pops up. Nope, it's Smith. 3-on-2 situation. Barantes. Nope, it's Smith. Nope, it's number 13. Binababa ang bola. Henrosa, 2 points. Don't look now, it's 3-5. Lamang na po ang Team QR Projects by 3 points. Barantes. Ayun. Kalilong. 3-second violation, Cordon Smith. 3-second violation on Smith. Villalaba. Numbers 99. Villalaba. Pops up. Nope. Nice D by number 0. Villalaba again. 10 seconds to shoot. Villalaba. Driving Shong. Number 0. Nope. It's Barantes. Now kay Candol. Candol. On the foot race. Candol. 2 points Candol. Nagbalik pa si Candol si Ere. Sumabay ka pa. Shoutout kay Tito Ralph Castor. Sabi ni Babagay. Sigil. Nope. Hermos. Villarosa. Nice one by Smith. To SG. To Kalilong. Kick pass kay Candon. Malakas ang pasa. Julius Babagay. Shoutout po kay Tito Ralph. Back muli po sa Cure Project Sambola. The White Boys. Sige po. Okay. 99 to number 16. 99. 99. Dribbling. Foul. Sa baba. Foul on Barantes for sure. Barantes called for a foul. Sa pula, sir, sa pula. Pang football yung itim. Thank you po. Villalaba kay Candol. Number 15, Rolyon. Number 16, out of bounds. Whose ball rep? White ball. 6 seconds remaining. 6 seconds to shoot. Rolyon, Kapos, Kalilong. Nice one, nice D. Pops up, 2 points. Nice D by number 0. And Smith. Smith almost had the ball. Matibay si 0. Bakal. Okay, Smith number 13 shooting for 2. Oh, Sir Owen Stracomores watching. Shoutout kay Best Dopo in Doha, si Terdy Canton and Christian Tan. Canton Tan Connection. Okay, wala sila. Bukas pa laro po niyan. Smith pops up. It's out. Rebound battle 1, but unfortunately, balik mo sa QR Sambola. 5 minutes 42 remaining. Handaan niyo na po ang second lineup niyo po. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Eto na, binato. Nice one kay number 15, Rolyon. Number 99. Hoy! Traveling violation. Traveling violation called. Again, balik muli po sa Blue Boys ang bola. Candol, binababa ang bola. Barantes. Nice one kay Smith. 2 points ang tumani yan. 6-7 na score. Lamang pa rin po ng isa ang team QR Projects. Villalaba. Okay, number 99 against Candol. Binabantayan. Number 13. Nabantayan. Roll. Number 0, Sibil. No good. Whoop. Foul called. Okay, change players po tayo. Change players po. 6-7 na score po natin. Halfway po tayo yun. Okay, second lineup po. Number 11 in. Taka in. At si number 3. Para kay Candol, kay Kalilong at kay... Siyempre natin yan. Check muna. Okay, kay Barantes. Kabila na, palito no. Si Montesilio, si Visto, at si Rodriguez. Number 3. Visto, shake and fake. Palpal. Nice pass. Smith. Binababa ang bola. Smith driving strong. Change of pass. Taka. Malakas. Number 4. 2 points sana, pero traveling call, sabi ng referee. Number 3, inbounding. Okay, number 21. Yan si Montesilio, dating extreme bowlers din yan. To Rodriguez. Montesilio. Traveling call also. The score is 6-7. 3:59 remaining. First quarter action pa lang po ito. Taka, nice pass kay SG. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Rebound battle won by number 21, Montesilio. Montesilio and one play. Montesilio 2 points plus possible 3-point play. Yung kwintas, yung hikaw po, pati singsing, pakicheck lang po. Ibigay sa akin para may isang lako na. Maraming salamat po. Okay, Montesilio 21 shooting for the bonus free throw. 3:39 remaining. Pops up. Wala. Rebound battle won by number 4. Number 4, binababa ang bola. Kick pass kay. Nice D by Alcir. Nice one by number 3. Bola pa rin for Airport United. Smith, foul called.
Foul minute, jersey number 3.
Number 3, George Projects called for the foul. And Taka. Ilaw, pops up, malakas. Ayan na naman sila. Montesilio, Visto, binipis ang bola, malakas. Nice D by number 4. Ito naman si Eric Grama. Taka, wala. Rebound battle, pop. Last touch, Smith.
Let's go.
Okay. Balik tayo. Taka, sabi ni Karen Sumanson. Okay. Rodriguez rather. Number 3, pasa. Nice D by number 3. .29 remaining. Tatlo po kalamangan ng Team QR Towers. A relative new team po sa ligang ito. Taka, inbound, binababa ang bola. Taka. Baseline. Stepping. Over the rainbow. Visto. Nice D. Eric. Nako ni Rodriguez ang bola. Running shot. No good. Rebound. Taka. Eric. Ilaw. Lost the ball. Pops up. Nope. And nice di ba Eric Grama? Balik muli po sa blue ang bola. Blue ball. Ilaw, inbounding kay Taka. Taka nagbababa ng bola. Taka. SU ng bola kay Ilaw muna kay Smith. Smith lost the ball. White ball. And timeout called. AU called for the timeout. Ano ba yan? May tumatawag. Thank you po. Thank you. Okay, balik muli po tayo. The score is still right now 6-9 ang score. Holding po. Okay. Back to the ball game. White ball. Montesillo, nandito rin pala. Yan po mga dating stalwart po ng QXB or Extreme Bowlers. Okay. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Binababa ang bola. That's number 2. Binasa kay Rodriguez. Number 2. Malakas sa pasa. 21. Montesillo against number 4. And offline. Rebound by Smith. 43 seconds remaining. Eric Grama. Binababa ang bola. Grama, Eric. Taka for 3. Nope. Visto. Visto driving strong. Nice one by Visto. SG. Taka. Nice D. Visto again. 2 points again. Back-to-back field goals. Back-to-back field goals po kagad. Taka, driving strong, pops up. Rattled out. And balik mo rin po. Wala na. Shot kay Mr. Manson. Mr. Big Shot. Wala pa din si Manson. Okay, after first quarter, a 7-point lead advantage been posted now by QR Projects, the White Boys. Lamang po ng 7 ang the White Boys. Babagay, score po natin 6-13. Lamang po ng 7 ang kalaban nyo. QR Projects. QR Projects ball. Bola po ng QR Projects. Oh. Game. $77. Number 99. Pops up. 77. Nope. Rebound. Barabao pa Kandol. 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 Binababa ang bola. Kandol. Kandol to Barantes. Kalilong. Kalilong against 32. Nope. It's 24 to Kandol for 3. Wala. Lavariñas. Number 99. 99, running shot. Nope. Nawala ang bola. Kick pass kay Barantes. 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 Good ball. Hop. White. Same ball. Nice B by number. That's number 32. Okay, meron silang big man din. Nagpasok ng big man pa rin po ang Katara Projects or QR Projects. Kalilong for 3. Bang! 3 points Kalilong. 3 points kon Kalilong. 9-13. Lamang po ng 4 ang team QR Towers. 8:43 remaining. Jose. Jose, lost the ball. Good ball. Foul! Greneg. Greneg, Greneg. Nadinig. Another Jose. Number 4. Number 12. Foul. Again, foul called. Third personal foul called already. Kaya. Pops up. It's in. Second shot. Jumper's ready. Second throw. Pops up. Both basket made. Number 99. Balik tayo kay Kalilong ang bola. Bola. Now kay Valdez. Kay Lopez rather, 24. Kalilong naman. Kalilong driving the strong. Kalilong malakas. Nice rebound by Jose. Jose. Number 4, pops up for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 24, Airport United. Lopez. Driving, Barantes. Kiniliwa. Wala. Rebound para by Jose. Villaba lost the ball. Who's ball rep? White ball, sabi referee. Blue ball, sorry, blue ball. Sorry, blue ball. Blue ball daw, sorry, blue ball. I corrected it. Blue ball po. Blue ball, correction, blue ball. Lopez against number 99. Nice D. Barantes. Pops up, malakas. Ayan na naman siya. Jain of Alforno. He's here? He's working here? Jain of Alforno? Oh, good. Jain again, 2 points. Nice shot by Jain. Jain of Alforno is here. And Lopez, 9:17, 6:35 remaining. Lopez, Barantes to Lopez again. Lopez driving show. Nice D. Nice one, Kalilong. 2 points, Kalilong. Nice play by Lopez to Kalilong connection. Ayos. Okay, now Jose lost the ball. Jain driving the ball. Jain again. Labarid, lost the ball. Nice one. Barantes. 2 points, Barantes. Back-to-back field goals by Barantes. 13-17, a 4-point advantage now by QR Towers over Airport United. Again, number 99. Driving strong. Jain pops up. 2 points, Jain, 2 points. Leaving its name in the team of Alforno. And Lopez, Kalilong, Barantes, pops up, malakas. Lopez again. Ilaw, pops up, 2 points, Ilaw, 2 points. Jose. Jain. Labarina number 12. Lavarias rather. Lost the ball. Okay, change players po tayo. Palit player po tayo. Eric Grama and Company with Taka. And number 4 for sure. Kapalit po niyan. So far si number 0. And Company po with, of course, with number 15. Si Montesilio, si number 13. At si number 16 ng QR Projects. Sir, sa? Pangap, Boleros. Lopez. SG. Nice one. Number 4. Naku, malakas. Rebound battle. Won by number 4. Hoop shot. Foul. Number 0 called for a foul. Number 4 shooting for 2. Pre, sa Lulu, pre. Lulu accommodation sa likod. Nice shot by number 4. Second shot, jumper Shelly. Albida ka naman. Gabi-gabi. O, sige. Pops up, number 4. Nope. Rebound by Lopez. 2 points, Lopez. Back-to-back field goals now by Team Airport United. Don't look now. 18-19 na score. Unti-unti nakakabalik na po ang Airport United from a deficit earlier of 7 points. Please still completed by number 4. Number 4, driving strong. 2 points. Okay, lamang muli po ang Airport United. 2019, Heranosa. Number 13, binababa ang bola. Number 2 rather. Nakuha ng pick. Number 2. Wala. Number 4 called for the foul. Visto. Shooting for 2. Visto, first shot. Pops up. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Visto number 2, second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, Visto, jumpers ready, pops up. All tayo, 20 all. Lopez, binababa ang bola with Smith and company. Lopez, Taka, nope. Smith, naka-rebound. Smith, oy, down.
Call limited.
Pasensya na pa, naputol po tayo. Nag-cut broadcast tayo, ha. Okay, second broadcast po tayo yun. Nag-cut broadcast. Ano klaseng ano to? 14 seconds shot clock. Generosa. Driving strong. Nakuha ni Lopez ang bola. Lopez, 22-20. Lopez! Pops up! Dang! 2 points, Lopez. Lopez, 2 points, 24-20, 3 minutes 6 remaining. Sir Julius, ang score po is 24-20. Pasensya na po. Dahil kasi humina po ang signal po ng kurido dito. Kaya nag-cut broadcast muli po tayo. At nirefresh ko na po aking server. Maraming salamat po at back to ball game muli po tayo ngayon. 24-22, laman po ang AU. Lopez, walang pinasahan si Lopez. Ralph Castor is watching. Arisil is watching again. Thank you po, thank you po. Pasensya na po, naputo po yung broadcast po natin kanina. Dahil si humina po yung signal dito ng Urido. Hop, good ball. Malakas ang pasa. Number 0, Semil. Visto, pops up. Malakas. Out of bounds. 2 minutes remaining. Second quarter action is drawing now to close. Smith binababa ang bola. Smith driving strong. Foul called. Number 13 again called for a foul ng team QR Projects. Smith number 13, AU shooting for 2. Number 13, Smith pops up. Nope. Second throw, Smith. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, Smith. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's out. Lopez. Number 24 called for the push. Number 24 called for the push. A minute and 48 remaining. Laman po ng dalawa ang Team AU. After this is Boleros and Mecanicos. Malalim. Malalim po. Again, Visto. Nawala ang bola. Ayan, si number 4. Nagmamadali. Number 4. Balakas. Rebound. Smith. Foul. Slow connection talaga. Mahina nga na. Dito, malakas naman ito kasi nyo ko. Oh, 5 bar ako. Smith. Smith, first shot. Pops up. Yes, sir. Smith, second throw. 25-22, a minute 29 remaining. Pops up. Nope. Lane violation. QR Projects ang bola. Bola pa ng QR Projects. QR Projects ball. Semil inbounding kay Mr. Visto. And Semil. Semil. Malakas. Lopez. Lopez. Binato. Taka. Malalim. Butterfingers. Visto naman. Visto. Visto. Kapos. Nako. Smith. Eric. Takam. Layo mag-isa. Bako malakas. In and out ang bola kay Taka. Bisto na naman. Bisto number 2. Bisto. Wala. Malakas ang pasa ni Taka.
43 seconds.
43 seconds remaining. Second quarter actions drawing to close. Simmers, Java Winfrey, Marswang. Nice one. Taka, nakawala. Dalawa sila. Lopez, recover the ball. Lost the ball. Wala na. Number 16, 2 points. Seymour, G Farmers watching. Renzo Manson, Tarant. Ayoko sabihin yan. Baka maano ako na Facebook. Lopez, lost the ball. Again, one more time. Bisto, 2 points. Lamang na naman ang Team QR Projects. After 2 quarters, QR Projects leading by 1 point. 25-26. 25-26. Close ball game po tayo sa first quarter na ito. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. You're watching right now the second game between Airport United and QR Projects. This is your aviation-friendly league, dubbed as a flying league. Would like to thank the following sponsors: Team LBC, Haring Padala, and Thread and Eagles. Sama po natin po ang Team SBP, Doha, and PSBQ Basketball League. And your first, second game is on the way now between Airport United and nandiyan po ang QR Projects. After this po, yan po ang Mechanicos versus Boleros. Yan. And of course, bukas po tayo. Meron po tayo bukas. Nandiyan po ang CAS versus QDF. Sama na po natin po ang Qatar Airways Sky Team versus In-Flights. Back to the ball game.
3 free throws will be awarded for QR Project.
Okay, 3 free throws to be awarded for QR Projects. Dahil kasi kulang po ang Airport United. May 3 free throws po sila yun.
Kami sa ganun ron kasi puro kami crew eh. Hindi kami nakakompleto lahat.
Ano yan bro, napag-usapan natin sa host kasi yun. Kaya 30 kasi ang lineup nyo. Okay, 3 free throws awarded po sa QR Projects. Dahil kasi kulang po ang Airport United after 2 quarters. The score right now is 25-27. Rodriguez shooting for 3. Pops up. Pasok. First shot is in. Second throw, Rodriguez. Second free throw, mabagal talaga ang connection dito. It's in. Last shot, Rodriguez. Last shot, Rodriguez. Nope. JP Baron is watching. Maverick Valdez is watching also. Bumababa, yun. Okay, balik tayo sa blue ball. Kalilong for the inbound. Nice shoot. Kalilong, gitna daw. Kalilong to Kandol. CNC connection. Kandol, Kalilong. Ayan na. Smith. Double team. Cutting. Barantes. No good. Nice play sana. Nandito na po ako, Sir Philip. Opo, sir. Pero andoy po kami, sir. Jain. Nice cut. 2 points mo, Rodriguez. The score is 25-31 again. 6 na naman ang kalamangan ng Team QR Projects. Barantes, Smith, humingi ng bola. Barantes, nice mga kailaw. Kalilong for 3. Bang, no good. Rebound by Montisillo. Montisillo binabang bola. Montisillo against Candol. Hoy! Pau, traveling ka dyan. Binigyan ng matinding depensa ni Candol si Montisillo. Depensang Marino, depensang Bulcasil ang ginamit niya. Barantes. Binababa ang bola. Barantes, driving strong. Malakas. One more time. Smith. Nope. Smith, Jane, Smith, Jane. Jane had the ball. Jane driving strong. Jane. 2 points, Jane. Ilaw. 8 minutes 30 remaining. 25-33. Laman po ng 8 ang team QR Projects. Candol. Sayang. Candol shooting for 2. Candol shooting for 2. Mata natin. First shot Candol. Pasok. Second shot Candol. Jumpers ready. 26-33 ang score. 26-33. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Ilaw. Ilaw power move. Palpal. Foul on Jain for sure. Take to si Ilaw. Yeah, that's Jain. Confirm it's Jain. Jain, the stalwart for Alforno, the Italian Masters. Sa ibang liga po yan. Ilaw, first shot is good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Ilaw, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by Jose. Again, Montisillo, binabatil Candol. Nope. It's Jose. Nawala ang bola. Jose. Wala pa rin. Jose, matas. Nawala ang bola. Oh, good ball, Candol. Binato ang bola. Nakuha ng Montisillo ang bola. Nice interception po Montisillo. Jose na naman. Jose. And one play, Jose. Jose, 2 points plus possible bonus free throw kay Jose. Jose, 2 points plus possible bonus free throw. Jose, last shot, jumpers ready. It's in. 27-36. Laman po ng siyam ang Team QR Projects. Barantes. Nice one, Jose. Swiped away, pero may foul. Jose, called for a foul. Smith shooting for 2. 7 minutes 32 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Pops up. It's in. Wala pa. Second throw, jumpers ready. Please take note po, medyo underman po talaga ang AU. Wala po doon si Salud, si Escobedo, si Ubao at iba pa. Mga duty po kasi lahat, sinasabi nila. At the same time, si Babagay, si Candol din, wala Si babae tsaka si Carmona, si Jepox, wala, naka-duty rin at nakabakasyon din isa. Of course, si Scott din, nakabakasyon din. Jose, fade away shot. Ha? Out of bounds. Barantes, Candol driving strong, foul call.
There's a foul. Foul committed by jersey number 28.
Jersey number 20 called for a foul. Smith. Dilalakad ang bola. Smith driving strong. Nope. Rebound by Jose. Alas. Jose. Montecillo. Hop! Si Daisy. Sayang. Okay, same ball po tayo. Shot clock remaining at 18 seconds to shoot. Number 7. Jain pumuposisyon. Ayaw. Montecillo. Jose. Montecillo. Jose. Good ball. Palpal. Op. Traveling. It's foul called. Okay, foul called. Okay, overruled. Traveling violation called. Okay, Smith, lupo muna para kay Lopez. 29-36, laman po ng 7 ang Team QR Projects. QR Projects are ready to new team din po ito sa ligang ito. Barantes! Nako, sayang. And white ball. Okay, Kalilong, nilabas mo na para kay number 4. From Rodriguez, binababa ang bola. Jose. Nice one by Jose, pero yung lumabas lang. Jersey number 4 called for a foul set. Number 13 shooting for 2. It's in. Second shot, Jose. Jumpers ready po tayo. The score is 29-37, 5 minutes 25 remaining. Third quarter action. Pops up. Both basket made. 29-38, a biggest lead so far at 9 points now para sa QR Projects.
38-29,
Looking na to seal away na win number 1. Malakas. Number 4, naka-rebound. Ilaw, Candol for 3. Nope. Rebound by Ilaw again. Candol, driving strong. Palpal. Jain, malakas. Out of bounds. Top break for Jain.
Ball rewarded to
Airport United ball. Nice try, Jane. Nice try. Again, binababa ni Lopez ang bola. Lopez. Foul! Number 99 called for the foul.
Next foul will be a free throw.
Lopez. Takwala ang bola. Ilaw. Barantes. Pops up. Nope. Ilaw. Tip back. No good. Nice rebound, Jose. Jose. Malakas. Khalil Candol. Naku, sayang. It's not anywhere falling in favor for Airport United. But this is si Rodriguez po, nakabusukad ang bola. 29-40, the biggest lead so far now been posted at 11 points by Team QR Projects. Foul called. QR Projects now enjoying an 11-point lead advantage. Timeout called Airport United. Babagay ang score po natin 29-40. Laman po ang QR Towers ng 11. Lemuel Anaclet is watching, of course. Nandyan po sila. Si Mr. Masbang also is watching. Okay. Maverick Valdez is watching also. Okay, salamat po. Back to the ball game, guys. Basketball game ulit po tayo. Back to the ball game. Penalty situation, Team Qatar QR Projects or QR Projects penalty situation. Lopez pops up. It's in. 10-point lead. Last shot, jumpers ready for Lopez. Lopez, jumpers ready. Number 24. Pops up. It's nope. Up. One more time.
Another one.
Lopez, second try. Second throw ni Lopez. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Nope. Rebound battle by Jane. Out of bounds. Pero okay. Airport United ball.
Same ball. 14 shot up.
Okay. Barantes. Barantes. Nakonsot. Ay, yun ako po. Huli ka doon. Traveling violation. Traveling called. 3 minutes 15 remaining. Villalba, number 99, 2 points. Jolens. And si Mr. Lopez. 30-42, 12 ang team QR Towers. Lopez for 3. Malakas. Nice rebound by Jain. Jain na naman, nagmamadali, mag-isa. Jain! Palpal! Ni Lopez, pero may foul. Lopez called for the foul. Jain, 77, shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Thanks shot. Jain, second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Jain. Labas mo na Jain. Villalba. Naku ng pick. Villalba na naman. Jolens. Jose. Double team. Number 26. Jain pops up. Nope. Rebound by number 4. Barantes. Nakalusot. Nako, sayang. Substitution made now. Jain, nice one. Nice game by Jain. Quality minutes been spent by Mr. Jain. Hop! Kalilong labas muna para kay Mr. Barantes. A minute and 53 remaining. 30-40 itong score po natin. Win number 1 is looking to be picked now by Team QR Towers at this rate. Unless Airport United will do something about it.
14 shot up.
Vilava, nawala ang bola.
Moving for pass.
Number 0, nice cut. What a play by Vilava. Lost the ball. Ito na naman siya, Vilava.
Smith is coming.
Hop! Teka lang, traveling violation. Traveling call, sabi ng referee, traveling, dumikit. Dumikit. A minute and 28 remaining. 30-44. 14 lead so 14-point lead so far. Smith versus Jose.
14 shot up. Smith.
Jose. Nope. Nako, sayang. Out of bounds. White ball for sure.
45 seconds.
And Noor.
40 seconds.
Foul. Taka. Taka called for a foul.
Warning for penalty.
Taka called for a foul.
Next foul. Shooting time.
Number 3, inbounding. That's Mr. El Nur. Okay, Vilava. Naku ng pick. Vilava na naman. Whoop! Nahuli. Smith. And one play by Smith. 32-44.
Foul committed by jersey number 3.
Third. Mag-fourth na.
Lord, that's your second personal foul.
Smith, bonus free throw coming up. It's in. 33-44, 11-point lead advantage. Taka, binababa ang bola. Cool, Jose. Jose! 2 points, Jose. Lopez, 7 centimeters. Kalilo for 3. Bang! Okay, after 3 quarters, lamang po ang team QR Towers. 36-46. Final 10 minutes is coming up sa ating second game between QR Towers and Airport United. This is the second game right now, Airport United and QR Projects rather, sorry po. At the same time, Mechanicos and Boleros, magandang po kayo. You're next sa gabing ito. This is yung Aviation Friendly League, Dabas sa Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Nandiyo po Thread the Needles, Team LBC Haring Padala. Nandiyo po ang SBB DOA and the PSBQ Basketball League. Ongoing po ang Airport United and after this po is Mechanicos versus Boleros. Balik muna po tayo sa Airport United. Okay, final quarter coming up. Inbounding si Jose. Jose for the inbound. And to Mr. Visto. Jose! Nawala ang bola, pero may foul. Nasundot.
Foul committed by jersey number 17. That's your second personal foul. Kalilo.
Nawala ang bola, Kalilong. Nice tracking job, Lopez. Lopez, binababa ang bola. Kalilong. Pops up for 3. Bang! Kalilong. Kalilong ba ang Si Kalilong ba ang magic bunot ng Airport United para manalo sila o merong gagawin po ng paraan po ang team QR Projects? Naku, hindi po nihilong bola. Smith, binababa ang bola against Jose. Smith, Jose Smith, palpal! Nice block. Visto for 3. Bang! Good ball, Visto.
Interception again by Visto. Visto, lay in, back out, shot top 10. Here comes Jose.
Jose again, Jose. Pops up, no good. Rebound. And Smith again, Smith. Foul by Jose.
Jose, that's your second personal foul.
Jose, second personal foul. Smith, first shot. It's in. 40-49. Second throw, jumper ready for Smith to trim down 3 to 8 points. Pops up. Both basket made. And substitution. Okay, Barantes para kay Eric Grama muna. Pagpapa mo si Eric para mamaya. Rodriguez. Jose. Nakuha ni Barantes sa bola. Nagmamadali. Barantes. Nope. Nice one by Lopez. Again. Okay. Rodriguez against Barantes. Up. Offensive foul called. Nano.
Foul committed by jersey number 28.
Okay, medyo lang. Lumitaw lang yung elbow lang. Buti na nagtitramaan. Alam. Okay, Smith again. 42-49. Pito kalamangan. Smith. Driving strong. Foul. No foul. Sabi ng referee. Visto. Step to ba yung bola?
12 seconds. Shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot.
Ayan na, 10. Oy! Hindi pwede yun.
Inbound violation.
Inbound violation yun. Tinalbog pa eh. Again, chance again. Kalilong, binabang bola. Kandol, nandiyan na rin. In the fray. Intercepted by Jose. 2 points, Jose. Sayang depensa. And to Smith. Ilaw. 2 points, Ilaw. 44-51. Lamang po ng 7. Ayan, Mr. Visto against Kandol. Jose, lumiligid-ligid lang. Okay, Jose, binabata na po ni Smith. Smith versus Jose. Jose, running shot. No, rebound by Smith. Barantes, driving strong. 2 points, Barantes. 45-46-51, laman ng 5. Barantes against Visto. Kandol. Rodriguez against Ilaw. Binababa ang bola. Kandol, Ilaw, Rodriguez. Nope, rebound by Ilaw. Nakuha ni Jose ang bola. Nice deal by Jose. And no good. Rebound by Barantes. Nagmamadali. Barantes versus Smith. Barantes foul and one play made. Nice shot. Nice score. Manson, nasan ka ba, Manson? Tatanong-tanong ka, ano ka ba? Mr. Manson, where are you na? Okay, Manson, the score is 48-51. Lamang na lang po ng tatlo ang QR Towers from the height of 14-point lead earlier. Okay. Time out muna po ang QR Towers. Nice D po. Ginagawa po ni Mr. Jose. Pinapahirapan siya sa depensa talaga. Meron siyang tore talaga. Kabila lang po is wala ganong big man ang Airport United, pero pili-pili po na po sa bilis naman po ang laban. Yan po ang Airport United. Okay. Barantes, bonus feature coming up to trim down the lead down to 2 points. Barantes, bonus shot. Barantes pops up. Kapos! Nice shot. Okay, balik tayo. Mr. Jose to Visto. Binababa ang bola ni Visto ang bola. Visto against Barantes.
40 shots.
Muñoz. Barantes! Foul on Barantes. Muñoz is watching. Sir Muñoz, nasan po kayo, sir? Nabibis namin po kayo dito. Renzo Manson, ang score po natin is 40-51. Laman na po ng tatlo ang kalaban nyo. Jain for the inbound. Oy, friend. Number 2, Visto. Visto, dalawa sila, sabi nga. And to Jain. Nakuha ni Barantes sa bola. Nagmamadali, Barantes. Barantes! Oy! And one play pa ang binanat. Jose shooting for the bonus free throw. Five minutes 42 remaining. 48-53. Jose, out. Rebound. Number 0. Nakuha ni Kalilong bola. Kalilong. No, piece Jose. Jain. Jain called for a foul. Reaching foul by Jain. Candol inbounding. Candol. Smith. Smith to Candol. Candol to Kalilong. Thinking 3. Nope. Rebound by Jose. Napagod na. Candol. Number 99. Visto again. Visto for 3. Nope. Rebound. Battle won by out of bounds. Blue ball. Chance still again. 5 minutes. Malayo pa yan. Malayo pa yan. It's an alternative basketball. 48-53. Lamang puli 5. Barantes. Kalilong. Kumuha ng pick. Kalilong. Smith. 2-point Smith. Nice play. 50-53. Yan. Tatlo muli kalamangan ng QR Projects. Ng Projects. QR Projects. Number 99. Nakuha. Nakuha nga. Jain naman. Jain. 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 Wala. Candol. Candol. Number 4. Traveling Colts. Ay, sayang. Okay, Ilaw, papasok muna para kay Kalilong. Of course, si Lopez muna para kay number 4. 4 minutes 16. Kaya pa daw yan, sabi nila. Marami pang oras, huwag mag-alala. Marami pang mangyari. Okay, ito na. Visto against Barantes. Isolation play. No, Jose against Smith. Smith, Jose, combination. Foul call. Sa baba. Down. Visto against Barantes. 50-53. 3 minutes 54 remaining. Visto, wala na walang bola. Smith. Again. Lopez. Sayang. Lopez shooting for 2. Lopez, much needed shots to be made now by Lopez to keep them in play. Lopez, first shot. It's out. Second shot, Lopez. Second throw, Lopez. Pops up. Both baskets out. Jose naka-rebound. Visto. Visto malakas. Rebound Ilaw. Ito naman si Barantes. Nakuha ni Jay ng bola. Mali ang pasa. Again, Jose. Pops up. Malakas. Jose, 2 points again. Timeout called. AU called for the timeout. Win number 1 is up to grabs now for QR Projects. Pag walang magawa rito ang team Airport United. And coming up po, next game po tayo ha. Next game ha. Between Boleros and Mecanicos. $50-55. Malayo pa yan. $255 pa lang yan. Unos, 3 points na ni Kalilong yan, no? Okay na yan, no? Ni Eric. O ni Candol. O. Sa kabila, pero kinakalang, bantayin nila ngayon. Barantes. Kapos. Wala. Wala bola. Nice stop now. Okay, good. 2 minutes 28, 50-55. Kaya Visto against Barantes again. Candol versus number 99. And official on illegal pick. Illegal pick, sabi ng referee. Illegal pick. Game, ito na naman. Chance again to trim down the lead. 2 minutes 12 remaining. Lopez. Nawalang bola. Barantes, malakas. Ala na. 2 minutes remaining. Sigil. Lost the ball. Jose! Wala. Lopez. 2 points Lopez. 3-point lead Kalamangan. Ito na naman. 3-point lead. Visto. They will not start to milk the clock for sure. A minute and 31 remaining. Hop. Visto. Foul called. Okay, Visto on the line. Visto, first shot. Visto, first shot. Nope. Second shot. No. Kapatid sila. Kalilong for 3. Bang! Kapatid sila. Kandol. Gawa ng bola. Tabla. O, gumanta naman bigla eh. Jose! Foul sa baba. Jose, shooting for 2. Penalty situation, Airport United.
Mahalaga ang ano, mahalaga ang
Second shot, pops up. It's out. Rebound, foul called. Guzman rep, foul on 0. Both teams penalty. Chance now for Airport United to take the lead. 0, foul out, graduate. Yun na pala. Ano tawag ko? Five-ball galit. Binago lang pala. Ilaw, first shot. It's out! Facebook na Facebook. Naputol. Martin Evaristo. Naputol nga kanina. Bumaba yung signal dito eh. Second shot, Ilaw. Pops up. Wala ka post. Tip in by number 13. What a tip by Smith. 37 seconds remaining. Visto, binababa ang bola. Visto. Visto against Kalilong. Visto, pops up. Palpal! Palpal!
Shot clock. 11 seconds.
11 seconds remaining. 11 seconds to shoot. Jose wants the ball. Number 99, driving strong. Jose, nako ng pick. Jose, palpal! Nice defense Candolo, Jose. 70 seconds remaining. Gumanta bigla laban, no? Gumanta bigla laban, no? Grabe. Nice stand, a gun stand by Airport United, winning back the lead. 70 seconds remaining. What a D also by Candol over Jose. Nag-timeout na po ang team QR Projects. Back to the ball game. Balik muli po tayo. Inbounding si Visto. Jain is there. Jose is there. Mon Rodriguez is there. Number 19 is there. Binabantay kagad ni Candol. Eto na. Jose driving shot. Wala na. Good ball. Foul call. Candol. 9 seconds remaining. Candol shooting for 2. Candol must make 2 shots for insurance basket or else there's a possibility for overtime sa larong ito. Candol, first shot. No! Candol has to make this 1 shot. At least 3 points ang lamang nila. Or else they can go for 3-point shot clock or for sure foul counted to salvage the game for QR Projects. Second throw, Candol. Pops up. It's out. Jose naka-rebound. Jose nagmamadali. Jose. 5 seconds. Good ball. Good boys. What a game by What a game-saving game. What a game-saving game by number 99. Okay, kaya matibay kahan yan. Nice shot by number 99. 1 second remaining. For sure, catch and shoot na lang yan or else there's a foul. Sumabit. Okay. 1 second remaining. Nangangamoy overtime, mga boss. Matthias Sanders watching also. Sancho. Catch and shoot for sure. Sino bibigyan mo, Lopez? Ilaw for 3. No good. Overtime tayo.
We're going to overtime.
Wala talaga. Pasalamat kayo. Okay, we need 5 more minutes to decide the ball game between Airport United and Team QR Project. Okay, 5 minuto pa daw. Hiniling nila, 5 minuto pa daw. After this po, Boleros and Mechanicos. Who's ball rep? No ball. Ay, saan bro? Tara. Laro tayo. Oh. Candol. Lopez against Bisto. Oy! Backing violation called. Nice hustle play by Bisto. Villalaba, I don't know what you did, but it's a miracle shot you made. Okay, Jose, he wants Jose down. Let Jose will do the inbound. Again, ito na naman, Bisto. Jose, for 3. Nope. Rebound by Lopez. Lopez binababa ang bola. Smith driving, popping, stopping. 2 points. Foul on Candol. Penalty situation, Team Airport United. Please take note po, the penalty will be carried over also in overtime. We're just playing on borrowed time already.
Kailangan.
Nope. Second shot. 4 minutes 23 remaining. Again, overtime tayo. Second shot, number 99. Pops up. It's out. Rebound. Airport United. Nice try by Rodriguez. Very nice guarding job by Ilaw. Oh, Brad, idol. Overtime.
Balik ko!
Nasino? Si Walter. Di malala. Si Castro.
Wala,
Bakasyon na. Lopez for 2. Nagbalay. Wala. Rebound by Jose. Nice one. Nice one by Smith. 3 minutes 50 remaining. I don't know how they did it, but they did it. Bisto. Palpal. Pasok ang bola. Okay, ito na naman. 61-59. Laman po ng dalawa. Smith against Jane. ball situation.
White ball.
White ball. White ball po tayo, white ball. Jane, Visto nagmamadali. Chance to tie the ball game again. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound by Jose. Jose, and one play naman ginawa ni Jose. Jose, and one play. Ilaw. Ilaw, shooting. Ilaw, called for a foul. Jose, chance to again get the lead. Jose, pops up. Kapos. Rebound by Ilaw. Tabla tayo. Kandol. Kandol! Kapos! Mali! Again, Visto again. Chance now. Jose. Jose, pops up. Bang! Nice hustle play by Rodriguez. Kandol. 61-63. Escat is watching also. Offensive foul by Lopez. Foul on Lopez. Visto. Rodriguez. Binababa ang bola. Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Nice block. Smith. Jose Smith. Lopez, 2 points. Again, tabla na naman tayo. Tabla na tayo. 29 o 2:29. 2:27 remaining. Jain. To Villalaba. Condon against Villalaba. Good ball. Okay, referee says. Okay, what's the referee says? Blue ball. Tablados tayo, 63. 62 lang tayo, 1 minute 55 remaining. Eto na naman tayo. It's crunch time again. Crunch time rin po tayo again. Lopez. Kalilong. Ayun sa ilalim. Kalilong dilabas. Kalilong naman. Kalilong. No good. Hop. Wala. Nice rebound. Kandol. Kalilong for 3. Nope. Rebound para Jose. Jose, called for a foul. Nope. Jose, nakalusot. Jose. Good ball. Foul. Wala sa baba. Number 99 called for a foul. Both teams are penalty ready. A minute and 18 remaining. First game already ended before until number 99 salvaged a shot and send this thing to overtime. Shout out po sa the Mechanicos. Lopez break, second shot. Ito si Manix ba? Manix ba yan? Manix? Ay, gusto ko. Kumbuka mo kasi. Sorry. Okay, Lopez, second shot. 63 all po tayo. Pops up. Kapos. Rebound pa siya, pero may foul naman ang binigay. May foul pa. Penalty situation. Penalty situation. Number 11, Ilaw called for a foul. Penalty situation. No set chance now to take back the lead. A minute and 16 remaining. Jose shooting for 2. Nice game. First shot. It's in. Jose, second throw, jumpers ready.
Go, rebound, bro.
Jose, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's in, both basket. Ito naman. Kandol, binababa ang bola. Against number 99. Kandol. Now Rodriguez. Lopez. Ilaw. Kapos. Up. Good ball. Ayun na. 2 points, Shane. The score right now is 63-67. A point from Jose and a point from and a shot by Jain. Back to the ball game tayo. 40 seconds remaining.
Back to the ball game. 40 seconds remaining. 4-point lead for UR Projects.
Lopez inbounding. Lopez for the inbound. Smith. Foul called. Now Smith has to make these 2 shots. Jose for sure called for a foul. Smith shooting for 2. 34 seconds remaining. Pops up. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready. Both basket made. 34 seconds pa. Okay, Kalilun against Jose. Foul called. Penalty situation. Visto shooting for 2. Visto must make these 2 shots to end this ball game as an insurance basket, or else chance for Aperton to tie up the ball game again. Visto first shot. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready para kay Visto. Both basket made. Lopez. Binintay pang. Lost the ball. Okay, that's it. Uy! Foul! Kalyo. Villalaba, first shot. Kapos. 4 tuloy kalamangan. Second shot. Nope. Okay, that's it. Win number 1 taken by QR Projects. Okay. Okay, you watch now the game between QR Projects and Airport United. Congratulations for QR Projects for winning the first game. And coming up next po is Mechanicos versus Boleros. Again, maraming salamat po. This is Airport Aviation Friendly, Gabas sa Flying League. Thank you very much.